Hi there. In this video we're going to look at using WordPress as an option to create a digital e-portfolio. WordPress is the world's largest and most popular content management and blogging system. It's free and has a huge amount of features that allow you to turn your WordPress blog into a fully functioning website, e-portfolio and so much more. In this series of videos we'll be looking at signing up for and using WordPress.com's free service in order to create for ourselves an e-portfolio system. Our e-portfolio will contain video, audio and a host of other features. The first thing that we need to do is to go to wordpress.com. All of the links in this tutorial will be down in the description of this video. To start creating our e-portfolio, we go down to Create Website. We then choose a category. Any of these categories will do, but I'm going to pick Education and Organizations. Each category just comes with its own set of themes, and you can change your selection of category later on down the line. I'm going to pick third level or college education. Again, it doesn't matter which one I pick here. It's just going to give me a set of themes that suit my actual selection, and we can change this in the future if we need to. The next thing we need to do is to tell WordPress what we want our homepage to actually look like. So you get to choose between a list of your latest blog posts. This could be used if you were doing a reflective journal type piece for an e-portfolio for class. You can pick a static welcome page for the site, which could consist of, large imagery, a video, some text. And this will look more like a normal website homepage. You could do a grid system of your latest posts, which is similar to this option here. Or you could turn your website into an online store. For my demonstration, I'm just going to choose a welcome page for my site. Now, based on the choices you made earlier, you're going to be given a number of themes to choose between. Have a hunt around and see what theme best suits you. For the moment, I'm going to pick this theme here. In this section, you get to choose your domain name. I'm going to assume that at this point, you don't own a full domain name, and you want one of the free WordPress.com domains. A domain name is simply the web address that people will type in order to access your e-portfolio. I'm going to put in Sam Cogan Portfolio, and provided that this address is free, it will give me samcoganportfolio.wordpress.com. This is going to be our web address or domain name for the website. Next we need to hit select, and we're going to choose the free version. For the moment, this is really all we need. Now we have to create our account. Simply enter your email address, give yourself a username that's easy to remember. I'm just going to use samc88. Provided this hasn't already been used by another user, we're good to go. And if it has been, you'll see that it gives us an error. So I'm going to use samc88. I'm going to put in a password. Make sure this password is something that you can remember because you're going to need it later. And then simply hit create my account. Perfect. Now in the background it's building my website. And before we move on, we should really go and check our email account for the confirmation email, because there's a couple of settings you're not going to be allowed to use until you confirm your email address. So take a second and go off and do that. So the email will simply look like this, and it will give you your details of your username, and it will also tell you that you can log in using just your email address if you want. So once I confirm that, it's going to ask me to log in. I can log in again either with my username or my email, and now I need to click login. Once logged in, you can start to see the skeleton of your e-portfolio website, and you can see a number of options on the left hand side. We'll refer to this as the dashboard going forward. So that's it for the first video. Join us in the next video where we look at adding pages and menus to our web page.